In this question, you have to point out which one is not a criterion for classification of fungi. Option A, mode of spore formation. Now, this is a criteria for the classification of fungi, and it is largely based on how they reproduce, specifically their mechanism of spore formation. Option B, fruiting body. Now, this is also a criterion because the structure and type of fruiting body are important features for classifying fungi, particularly groups like Basidomycetes or Ascomycetes. Option C, morphology of mycelium. Now, this is also an important criterion for classification of fungi because the physical characteristics of the mycelium, such as whether it is septate or sinusitic, it plays an important role in this fungal classification. Option D, mode of nutrition. Now, all fungi are heterotrophic and their mode of nutrition, whether it is saprophytic or parasitic or mutualistic, is not used as a classifying feature because it overlaps actually different groups. Hence, it is not a criteria and thus it is the correct option.